Bow windows are one of the most striking architectural features you can have in a New Orleans home. Their curved design adds charm, natural light, and a sense of spaciousness that fits beautifully with the city's mix of historic and modern architecture. But like any window, bow windows age over time, and knowing when to replace them is key to maintaining comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal. If you're unsure whether your bow window needs attention, here are the top signs homeowners in New Orleans should watch for. Drafts or hot spots around the window. New Orleans weather can be unpredictable. Humid summers, windy storms, and cool winter fronts all put your windows to the test. If you feel a noticeable draft coming from your bow window, or if the area around it feels significantly warmer or cooler than the rest of the room, it's a clear sign the seal has failed. When seals break down, conditioned air escapes, outside air enters, and your HVAC system works overtime. Replacing the bow window will restore insulation and help keep indoor temperatures comfortable year-round. Condensation between the glass panes. A little moisture on the inside of your window during humid days isn't unusual in Louisiana, but condensation trapped between panes is a different story. This typically means the window's insulating gas has escaped and the glass seal has failed. Once this happens, the window can no longer regulate temperature effectively and will continue to fog. Beyond being an eyesore, this issue contributes to rising energy bills and reduced indoor comfort. A full replacement is often the most cost-effective solution. Difficulty opening, closing, or locking the window. Your bow window should operate smoothly and safely. If the sashes are sticking, refusing to close properly, or the locks no longer function, it may indicate warped frames, damaged hardware, or structural settling. In a climate like New Orleans, where moisture and heat are constant, wood frames can swell, and older vinyl or aluminum frames can warp over time. When operation becomes a struggle, replacement ensures better functionality and improved home security. Visible rot, cracks, or water damage. Because bow windows extend outward, they receive more exposure to rain, direct sun, and humidity than other window styles. Over time, this can lead to wood rot, peeling paint, deterioration of exterior trim, or even water infiltration. Cracked caulking, soft wood, discoloration, or bubbling paint all signal moisture damage. Left unresolved, this can spread to your walls and flooring. A replacement not only improves your home's appearance but also prevents costly structural repairs down the road. Rising energy bills without another clear cause. If your utility costs keep increasing and your HVAC system is in good condition, your aging bow window may be losing energy efficiency. Older windows lack modern insulation, low-E coatings, and advanced weather sealing technology. In a city where summer heat and humidity are intense, energy-efficient replacement bow windows can significantly reduce cooling costs and help your home maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Noise from outside is more noticeable. New Orleans neighborhoods can be lively. Music, traffic, and everyday street sounds are part of the city's rhythm. But if your home suddenly feels louder, your bow window may have lost some of its insulating properties. New replacement windows offer improved sound reduction, helping you enjoy peace and quiet indoors. Outdated appearance or declining curb appeal. Your bow window is often a focal point from both inside and outside your home. If it looks outdated, faded, or mismatched with recent renovations, replacing it can dramatically upgrade your home's curb appeal. Modern bow windows come in a variety of materials and finishes that complement traditional New Orleans architecture while enhancing resale value. Enhance comfort and beauty with a new bow window. If you've noticed any of these signs, replacing your bow window can improve comfort, energy efficiency, and the overall look of your home. A high-quality replacement brings brighter natural light, better insulation, and a fresh, beautiful design that enhances your New Orleans home for years to come.